What if some of the world's biggest problems, like curing diseases, stopping climate change, or even breaking down plastic waste, could all be solved with the same thing? A tiny molecule, invisible to the naked eye, called a protein. And thanks to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we now have the keys to unlock their secrets. Proteins are the workhorses of life. They carry oxygen in your blood, power your muscles, and defend against infections. Basically, if DNA is the blueprint, proteins are the builders. But here's the catch. A protein's job depends entirely on its shape. Even one tiny fold in the wrong place can lead to diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's. For decades, figuring out those shapes was like solving the hardest puzzle in the world. In the 1960s, British biochemist John Kendrew cracked the first protein structure. It took him 12 years. The process, called X-ray crystallography, required growing perfect crystals and blasting them with X-rays. Slow, expensive, and painful. And here's the math problem. Even a short protein has more possible folds than atoms in the entire universe. This is known as the Levinthal's paradox. In other words, predicting protein structures was practically impossible. Scientists didn't give up. By the 1990s, they created the CASP competition, challenging researchers to predict protein shapes from just their amino acid sequences. Some tried distributed computing projects like Rosetta, others even gamified folding with an online puzzle called Folded, where everyday people helped make real discoveries. But the real revolution came with AI. In 2018, Google's DeepMind created AlphaFold, an AI trained to predict protein shapes. This first version was promising, but AlphaFold 2, that was a game changer. By 2020, it could predict structures with accuracy indistinguishable from real-life experiments. What used to take scientists years and millions of dollars could now be done in minutes. Today, over 200 million protein structures are freely available, almost every protein known to science. This protein has already sped up biology by decades. It's helped in developing a malaria vaccine. It's opened new paths to fight antibiotic resistance. And it's also advanced cancer research and even conservation biology. In 2024, the Nobel Prize in Chemistry went to the minds behind AlphaFold and new AI protein design tools. AI isn't just predicting proteins, it's designing brand new ones. Inspired by AI image generators, scientists use methods like RF diffusion to create proteins with completely new functions. Imagine synthetic antivenoms safe for humans, new treatments for cancer and autoimmune diseases, and also proteins that can capture greenhouse gases or even break down plastic waste. It's like giving biology a whole new toolbox. The same AI techniques are now being used beyond biology, like discovering millions of new materials for batteries and electronics. If we manage the risks wisely, AI could help us with things like cure most diseases, create clean energy materials, and also restore the environment on a massive scale, all by learning the language of proteins.
That is in the biology world, creating softwares that are able to create new proteins that can create new medicines to help your diseases. Science fiction is definitely becoming real. We're able to create things that we're waiting for. That's just something that can help humankind.
Proteins may be invisible to our eyes, but they shape everything about life. And now, with the combined power of CRISPR's precision and AI's intelligence, we're not just decoding nature's designs, we're starting to write our own. The age of AI-powered biology has begun. If this sparked your curiosity, let's expand the lab beyond the screen. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And to also share with your fellow innovators and also people who enjoy STEM information. I'll see you later.